Okay, so we're working on review 3 right now, and this is for exam 3. Let's do elimination to solve this system of equations because that's what the first question is going to call for. Let's eliminate x, so we're going to multiply the top by 2 and the bottom by 3. The reason I know is because 2 times 3 is positive 6, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Those are going to cancel, so that's why I chose those. Distribute the 2 to all of these, we get 6x minus 10y is equal to negative 14, and negative 6x minus 9, no, plus 9y is equal to 12. Okay, so then this simplifies, this is gone, this is negative y is equal to negative 2, which divide by 1, negative 1, we get y is equal to 2. Okay, so we have 3x minus 5 times 2 is equal to negative 7. Okay, so this is 3x minus 10 is equal to negative 7. Plus 10 plus 10. 3x is equal to 3. X is equal to 1. Okay, so our solution is 1, 2. Now, just so you know, the test will be multiple choice. So, obviously you'll know if you have done this correctly, and just do your best on it, guys. So, that's how you do problem 1. That's one way of doing it. Let's do problem 2, part B. Okay, so part B, 2x plus 3y is equal to 10, and negative 2x plus 5y is equal to 6. So we can eliminate right away. We don't need to multiply because x's are going to cancel. These are gone. 2x minus 2x is 0x. 8y is equal to 16. Divide by 8. Y is equal to 2. Okay. So next we have 2x. 3 times 2 is equal to 10. 2x plus 6 is equal to 10. 2x is 4, so x equals 2, so our solution is 2, 2. Okay, so there's a way to check it, obviously. Make sure you watch our videos on the page about systems of equations. I'm pretty sure I show you how to check these. It might be matrices that we do it. It might be something else, but hopefully you're watching my videos anyway, just so you can be doing the homework and getting help with that. Finally, we're going to do problem 3. We have 2x plus 2y minus 2z is 2, and 3x minus 4y, 2z is negative 4. One thing to note is that when you're doing systems of equations, make sure that if it has no solution, you know when it has no solution, and when it has infinitely many solutions, you know when that happens. Okay, if you do the elimination and everything cancels, and you get 0 is equal to 0, that is infinitely many, and if you do the elimination and something is 0 is equal to 1 perhaps, then that is when it is no solution. They're parallel lines, so make sure you're mindful of this. So let's do elimination here. I'm going to eliminate z, so I'm going to call this problem 1, 2, 3. We're going to eliminate z. I'm just keeping track. And so I'm going to do 1 and 2. So let's do 1. 2x minus 3y plus z is equal to negative 3. And 2 is 2x minus 3y. No, I'm sorry, wrong equation. 2x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 2. So we're going to deal with these first, and we're going to get rid of z. So we need to multiply this by the 2 so that this matches this. Then they're opposites of one another. So this is going to give us the red equation which is 2 times 1 is going to be 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 3y is negative 6y. 2 times z is positive 2z. And negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Okay, so we cancel straight down. This is going to give us a fourth equation. Fourth equation is going to be 2x and 4x is 6x. Positive 2y and negative 6y is negative 4y. And this cancels, giving us is equal to negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. This is equation 4. Okay, so I'm color coding these just to keep track of them for you. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. In this case, I'm going to use problem 1 again, but this time I have to use 3 because I have not used it yet. Otherwise, I'll get the same equation. So 1 is 2x minus 3y plus z is equal to negative 3, and 3x minus 4y minus 2z is equal to negative 4. Okay, I need to eliminate z again. So I am going to use, that's a negative 2, so I'm going to times this one by 2 as well. I think we just did that already though, so we did do that. That is going to be this red equation, so I'm just copying it straight over. 4x minus 6y plus 2z is equal to negative 6. I only did that because I knew what the outcome was going to be, and this is going to be equation 5. I guess you can't really tell the difference between those two, so maybe I should choose a different color. Let's use green. Okay, we'll use green for this one. So if I use green, then this is 7x minus 6 minus 4 minus 10y. Cancel is equal to negative 10. That's equation 5. Now we've got 4 and 5, so 4 is going to be 6x minus 4y is equal to negative 4. And number 5 is 7x minus 10y is equal to negative 10. We need to eliminate x or y, so I'm going to eliminate x. Here we go. I want to eliminate x and we want a new equation. We're going to get the following. This is going to solve for x. So we're going to times this one by 7 and this one by negative 6. I want one to be positive, one to be negative. I'll change that color because I don't like it. Use purple. 7 times 6 is 42x. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28y is equal to negative 28. Okay, next is going to be negative 42x. Minus 6 times negative 10 is positive 60y is equal to 60. Cancels. 28 and 60. Oh, that's going to give us the same thing twice, right? This is going to be 60. What is 60 minus 28? It's 32. Y is equal to 32. Divide by 32. Y equals 1. Okay. So now that we have that, we can go backwards and we can substitute. So this is going into equation 4. We have 6x minus 4 times 1 is equal to negative 4. This is going to be 6x minus 4 is negative 4 plus 4. 6x is equal to 0. Divide by 6. X is equal to 0. So we have 0, 1. And we plug that into any of these. 2x, 3y plus z is equal to 3, negative 3. This is problem 1. 2 times 0 minus 3 times 1. Oops. 1 plus z is equal to negative 3. So this is 0 minus 3 plus z is negative 3. Add 3. And this gives us z is equal to 0. So our solution 0, 1, 0. And we can check that very simply. Plug 0, 1, and 0 in for x, y, and z. 0 minus 1, or I'm sorry, 3 times 1 is negative 3, plus 0 is negative 3. 0, 2, 0. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 0, 6, negative 6, 0, and that matches, so we have found the solution to this, and therefore we are done. I obviously didn't show the work for checking it. You just can do it in your head if you want. If you need to write it on paper, do it. I would advise you check your work. Don't forget it will be multiple choice on the test. Thank you guys for watching. Part 2 is coming shortly.